factory here on Wednesday.
Latest word in bicycle technology. It's made from the world's lightest structural material, pure magnesium. Now, there's no danger of it catching fire because in large amounts like this it's quite stable, but it is hard and extremely rigid, and that's because it's been made in one piece, whereas normal steel bike frames have weaknesses where the several pieces are welded together. But what's astonishing about this magnesium is that it comes from seawater. And what's more, just about 1 cubic metre of seawater is enough to make a frame like this one. Well, let's test the old and the new. I'm going to pump in 200 pounds of air pressure onto the pedals. That's like a hefty man clawing his way up a steep hill. And we can compare the steel here and see how well, in fact, it's distorting. It's wobbling from side to side, and in the end, that would distort for good. And that's why professional cyclists often have to change their frames several times a year. But if you look at our magnesium one, you can see that it's totally rigid and the power isn't pulling it down any. And it's very light too. It only weighs 6 pounds, so it could be used professionally. And the whole thing costs about 300 pounds. Well, Peter's got a test that he wants to try out too. Come on, do your worst.
Firstly, I'm thinking of trying to go home on me tonight.
Well, I was actually. Over the steel one, doesn't look too good. And now over the magnesium test. Give it some welly. All right.
Good luck.
Yes, let's have a look at those, compare them together. And I think it's fairly obvious to see that the magnesium one is bent not at all. In fact, it's held up extremely well. But look at the poor old steel one. I don't think that's going to make the Tour de France this year. Well, that's it from us for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll be back at the same time next week, so we'll hopefully see you then. Good night. Could I catch a lift now? You've broken all my bikes.